Scene 1. Jake walking into a room full of strangers. Looking timid and awkward voiceover. Every time Jake stepped into a room, he felt invisible. His body slouched, his eyes avoided contact, and the world simply looked past him. Scene 2. Jake overhearing two entrepreneurs talking about the 3-second rule of voiceover. Then, by chance, Jake overheard a secret. The first 3 seconds of any meeting decide everything. In those moments, people either see you or they don't. Scene 3. Jake practicing confidence in front of a mirror voiceover. Determined to change, Jake practiced. Standing tall, looking himself in the eye. Speaking with purpose, because confidence isn't given, it's earned. Scene 4. Jake entering the next event with strong presence of voice. Over. The next time he walked into a room. Jake didn't hide. He owned it. His posture spoke louder than words, and suddenly, eyes were on him. Scene 5. Jake confidently shaking hands with a potential investor voiceover. In those first 3 seconds, firm handshake, a steady gaze, a genuine smile. These small moves opened a door Jake never thought possible. Scene 6. Jake speaking clearly and calmly in a conversation, voiceover, clear voice, calm mind. Jake wasn't just heard anymore, he was respected. His presence demanded attention, and people listened. Scene 7. Summary scene. Jake standing tall, owning the room voiceover. 3 seconds. That's all it takes to change how the world sees you. Jake learned to own those moments, and that changed everything.